Hello guys, hello. My name is Yelena. Welcome back to my channel. Let's make today cranberry macadamia oat cookies. I think they're very festive for a holiday and will be very good way to start the season. All right, let's go. So it's a very easy recipe, very straightforward. So I already have my mixer here on the table. So we're gonna start with the butter. And the butter is room temperature. Then we're gonna need white sugar. Brown sugar. And this recipe is not that fussy. So right now, I know I haven't creamed all the butter and sugar yet, but I can already add my eggs. And a splash of vanilla, just a little bit. All right, and then I'm gonna mix it all together. Halfway in, go ahead and scrape your bowl, so make sure you don't have anything settled at the bottom. And give it another quick mix. So that's the mixture consistency we're looking for. So you don't see big butter chunks, but it's a little, looks like it wants to separate, so that's fine. I don't want to whip it, all right? So we're just mixing it all together. Don't whip your butter. Okay, so at this point, I can add all my dry ingredients. So let's go ahead and do that. So I have my soda, baking powder, a little bit of salt, flour, more flour. Then I have 1 minute quick oats. So you can put that. So we need 1, 2, and about the half. All right, let's go ahead, give it a mix. Do it slowly so the flour doesn't poof back on your face. All right, see, so just incorporate it. So at this point, we're gonna add white chocolate. I'm using Ghirardelli white chocolate. About 3/4 cup. Then I have macadamia nuts. So those say chopped. See that? So chopped macadamia nut. And this is just from the Great Valley. This is Walmart brand. If you like smaller pieces, go ahead and cut them smaller if you want. And and we're gonna use the whole package. And then the recipe calls for dried cranberries. I didn't have any, so I took a cup just fresh cranberries from the store. Put it in. And now again, just to stir until it's all just incorporates. All right, so we all set. So let's go ahead, take the bowl from the mixer. Give it a nice stir. Make sure we don't have all the goodies just sitting at the bottom of the mixer bowl. All right. And I have my pans already prepared. So this is just half sheet size. That's the largest I can fit in my oven. And I have ice cream scoop. So what I do is just make sure each scoop gets a little bit berries inside. So scoop it, run it over the edge of the bowl so each scoop is the same size. And oops, come on. And scoop it on a parchment tray. That way all the cookies are the same size. Alright, and that's all I have left, so I'm just gonna put somewhere on the tray, and I know it's probably they will melt together, but I'm okay with that casualty. Alright, so now I'm gonna put them to bake in a preheated oven, 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and bake them till ready. So they're gonna spread and turn a little bit brown. If you like crispier cookies, leave them for longer, or if you like more chewy, then take them out. So I'm gonna let you know how long it took in my oven. All right, we'll be back. All right, so here's the cookies nice and hot from the oven. So they've been for 15 minutes. So you can see the edges start to brown up a little bit, and the middle still kind of nice and gooey. So that's the way we like it here in our household. If you like them more on the crunchy side, so leave them a little longer. But you can see they spread a little bit, but not too crazy. So this was my leftover big scoop, and it didn't really do much of a damage. Here's the second tray. Can we hear it sizzle? Huh? I hear it, but kind of quiet, so you probably guys don't hear it. That's too bad. It's so nice to hear that. All right, so I'll be back to show you what they look like when they cool off, and I can break it up for you so you can see what it looks like inside. All right, I'll be back. All right, guys, so they're still warm, but cool enough for me to grab one. We just can't take it anymore. So as you can see, you can just peel it off from the tray. It was just a regular parchment tray. I didn't grease it, nothing. So see, they're just easy coming out. Beautiful. And you see all the nice cranberry. And this is what they look like inside. And I think I need to bite right this one off. Haha. So good. Nice and crunchy on the macadamia nuts and white chocolate chips. And like I said, you can do dried cranberries for this recipe, but I always like it with fresh because you just can't substitute the flavor of the fresh ones. It's just that burst of flavor when you bite into it. Always so delicious. All right, I hope you guys will give a try to this recipe. I'm still chewing, I'm sorry. Don't forget to give a like to this video, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time. Bye, love you so much. I need a glass of milk, honey.